So here we have a Hubsan drone. This is the H501s. Now previously you would have seen I had these foldable blades fitted to it, which I bought from China. I would advise against them. Unfortunately, this one here, I now have to replace the motor on. You can probably hear. You can hear bits and pieces inside the motor. I'm going to strip it down in a bit and see if I can save it. But also, unfortunately, you'll see there that the spindle is absolutely knackered. Probably get a plastic blade back on there. In fact, I did try with an older blade just to see if it would cut on. It does go down about that far, and then you have to cut the plastic onto it to get it to go on, whereas the other ones, and now of course I can't get it off, whereas the other ones themselves just spin straight on quite nicely. You can see here the carnage. So what happened was the collar stayed still and the plastic bit rotated around it. So as you can see, that's what it should have looked like. And then obviously, as I went to undo the blades, this cheap monkey Chinese metal just gave up the ghost on the thread, and then that was the end of that. So managed to get it off, but compared to, well, you can see clearly there, that's got a good thread on it. And that one there is completely and utterly munted. So, basically, long and the short of it is, stick with the original blades and avoid the Chinese shit.